Hello, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter, and I want to invite you to two special events coming up very soon. The first special event is going to be Christmas Eve cocktails with Stephen and Walter live. Yes, if you're alone on Christmas Eve, why not join us? Bring your favorite snack, bring your favorite beverage, and we're going to chat and maybe play a game or two, maybe watch little short clips, funny Christmas things. I don't know, lots of things to do, but we'll do it together. Also, if you'd like to bring something to show us, we can have a little mini show in town. Now, that doesn't necessarily have to be a quilt or a piece of sewing. It could be anything. It could be a quilt. It could be a piece of sewing. It could be a piece of art that you've worked on, a creative project that you've completed, or maybe you have a favorite Christmas decoration or something like that that means something to you and you have a little story to tell about it. So if you feel comfortable and would like to do something like that, please feel free to bring it along. So that's on Christmas Eve, so December 24th, and it will start at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we'll be here for maybe a couple of hours. We'll see how things are going. So that's the first event I wanted to make you aware of. The second event takes place on January the 1st, 2023. Yes, New Year's Day. And I'm going to host a Idiot Quilter Sew Day starting at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and running till approximately 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a come and go event, so if you can't make it at 8, I know some of you out on the East Coast, that's a little early for you, especially if you've had a little bit to drink New Year's Eve as well. So once you get over that hangover, come join us and work on a project, get started on something new. It's a new year, new project. Or maybe you've got a resolution list of things you want to get finished up in the next year. Bring those along as well. As I said, it's come and go as you please. Join in anytime. Feel free to leave at any time. And we're just going to have a generally relaxing, productive, fun day. Maybe talk a little bit about what we did over the Christmas holidays as well. So that's on January the 1st, 2023. So let me recap. Two events. Christmas Eve. Join us for cocktails, and that starts at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And January the 1st, New Year's Day, all day sew day. That starts at 8 a.m. that day. Okay, so I hope you can join us, and I promise that if you do join us, I will not wear this. Okay, I just thought it'd be festive. So, having said that, I hope you have a great Christmas. I hope you have a great New Year's Eve, great holidays, whatever you're doing. And yeah, the links for both events are in the show notes below. Hope to see you then. Bye for now.